In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a stand in Adopt Me on Roblox. Whether you want to sell lemonade, hot dogs, or your own items during events, having a stand is super helpful and fun. First, make sure you have some bucks saved up. While some stands cost Robux, earning bucks in the game by completing tasks, carrying for pets, or logging in daily is a great way to prepare. To get a stand, click the shop icon on the right side of your screen, scroll down until you see options like the lemonade stand or hot dog stand. The lemonade stand costs 50 Robux and the hot dog stand costs 95 Robux. Unfortunately, you can't buy these with bucks, but sometimes players trade stands or give them away during special events, so keep an eye out. If you're looking for an item stand where you can sell your event items, it's only available during certain updates or events, so make sure to stay updated with the game's news. Once you own a stand, go to your inventory, click on it, and place it anywhere on the map. You can then set your own price and other players will be able to purchase from your stand. It's a great way to make bucks and interact with the community.